BINI are definitely an inspiration in each and every way. I mean, yeah, right. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hey, kamusta ang lahat? How is everybody out there? How are you? I hope everybody's fine. I'm doing good. Everything is okay on my side here, and we are back with the BINI video, so that means everything is going to be absolutely great. Now, the girls put out a 2-part video. As far as I saw, it's called Super Crunch and BINI Mind-blowing Snack Surprise. There was a site that put English subtitles on it. I'm going to put a link down the description. Over on Discord, somebody gave me that link. And yes, we're going to take a look at a snack surprise. It's about BINI. It's about food. It can't get much better than that. So let us dive in. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Hop on over to my Patreon for some exclusive stuff. Check out the Discord filled with blooms. Check out the podcast I'm doing with V. We're on the 2nd episode now. Lots of talk about BINI. And yes, and then maybe check out my 2-3 Mabuhay merch, my t-shirt with the design on it. And if you have anything to tell me, you know, the comment section is the place to go. But now it's time for some BINI and some food and a snack surprise. Let's go. Let's do this. We invited a few street vendors to give them a little surprise for Christmas. Okay. Oh, balut! It's not that easy for BINI fans to see and meet their idols. More so for these vendors who are also BINI fans to have that opportunity. Oh, so they don't know that they're actually there for BINI. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this already makes me hungry again. Why is it always... It's noon for me. It's actually time for lunch. So this just gets my mouth watering all over again. My God, I'm gonna have chicken later, so yes. Oh, dumplings.
Sa dami ng aming pinaghanapbuhayan, ito na lang po yung madalian na hanap buhay. Kahit pa paano may rason pang araw-araw namin. Isang dekada na yata kami nagtitinda po.
I mean, it is one of the most common things you see. People selling food. The most basic need of a human being. Rain or shine, yep, that's the hardest. And these people work hard. These street vendors are one of the most hard-working people out there. And on the other side, they make some of the best foods in general.
Ulan, maraw, talaga yung pinaka-hirap eh. Pero okay na, kaya, tiyaga.
It's all about perseverance. And if there's one thing I can say about Filipinos, perseverance is a big word.
Tumatagal na po.
The fishbowl vendor.
Mas parang sa piling ito pa na
That's good. That's great. They have no idea that they are in for a snackakabali surprise. Snackakabali? Bali? I think the W is rather silent. Kakabali.
Sa totoo lang kasi ako wala akong idea.
Honestly, I have no idea. We're not expecting anything, but I said maybe there will be artists. Little do they know that 8 sunshines are going to brighten up the room.
Pero baka may artista, sabi ko. Hindi ko rin sigurado kako.
Kapitan, sa akin po, ppop sina, BINI.
BINI.
Dapat isa sa mga yun. Gusto namin.
I really hope it's one of them. We really like salamin. Yes, girl. It's not only one. It's going to be all 8. Oh, I would go freaking nuts.
yung salamig. Kaya kami rin nakikigano'n din.
Pero sabi ko, mali mo nandun yung idol mo si Maloy. Sabi niya, uy, sama ako. Sabi niya.
I'll go.
Lama ko na lang din siya.
Oh, I would be screaming too.
Talagang
Oh, I can feel with them so much. I can feel them so well. Oh, wow.
naiyak talaga ako kasi nakita ko na yakap ko sila. Tapos nandito kayo
My goodness. My goodness. Absolutely wonderful.
tabi ko kumakain ng balot na paninda ko.
You know, not only are BINI there, but also the vendors, just as she just said.
Sila. Tapos nandito
And they were beside me eating the balut that I was selling. This is like a very personal honor that your idols, the people you love, are eating your food that you made, with passion, with heart. I feel them so well.
dito kayo sa tabi ko kumakain ng balot na paninda ko.
Shayna.
Buong nila kami winelcome. Kami na surprise. Oh yes, we will.
Oh, and Gwen they are all just so pretty. But look at Gwen shining in her orange outfit. Oh, wow. Gwen is stunning. And they're eating balut. I wonder who is not going to eat it. I know some of them don't like it. I had it too, so it was okay. It's not something I would want to eat all the time because I'm actually not a big friend of boiled eggs. It's just too dry. In the end, it wasn't absolutely great, but it wasn't bad or gross either. Balut was okay. Oh, even Mika is crying.
Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi hindi ko akalain yung BINI pala yung makakarap.
Oh my God,
Napakalaking
yes.
privilege yan. Oh, BINI. Lalo na nakita ko yung itsura niya. Grabe, tapos namumula na yung dito niya. Hindi siya makapagsalita sa natutad na yung niya, pangarap niya.
Super Crunch, maraming salamat sa maaga pamasko.
Thank you sa inyo.
That is absolute Christmas. Just a photograph with the girls.
Kung ano, sana
Wow.
hindi pa ito ang una't huli natin pagkasama. Binig
Oh, just yes. Okay, this is Malloy. This right here is Malloy. That is her warmth, her heart, her soul. My God, I love her for that.
Binig girls, I love you. Salamat.
Gusto ko muna magpasalamat kasi po sa pag-aaral, sila din yung ginagawa ko.
Wow. I'm sorry I'm going back so
Gusto ko
often.
muna magpasalamat kasi po sa pag-aaral.
I'm loving Joanna's hair. Wow. I love those braids. I love the outfit. That little vest, that blue vest over the light blue top. Beautiful. Even very fitting with the girl here. Oh my God.
Sila din yung ginagawa ko. Inspiration.
Thank you sa
BINI are definitely an inspiration in each and every way. I mean, yeah, right. These girls are they have something special. They've got this aura of absolute, I don't know. amazing.
Experience, grabe yung pinasaya niyo kami, pinasaya niyo yung anak ko, lalong-lalo.
Salamat.
Thank you, Bini. Napasaya niyo po ako ngayon. Grabe, once in a lifetime. Thank you, thank you.
Message ko lang sa kapwa ko street vendor. Magsumikap lang.
And there you've got, and that's here once again. I am sorry
Once
we're
in a
going back,
lifetime.
but
Thank you, thank
I'm
you.
actually not sorry. And there you've got Malloy standing behind the counter. You know, next to him.
Message ko lang sa kapwa ko street vendor.
That's just Malloy. That is just Malloy. Wow.
Magsumikap lang. May tiyaga.
Tuloy lang ang pagtitinda kahit ano mangyari. Sipag, kahit na umulan umaraw, tiyaga lang.
Lahat,
Just work hard.
May papatunguhan.
Oh, this is a nice picture. This is a day they will not forget. They are all beautiful. I was hoping we'd get to see Sheena a bit closer. I like that dark blue violet on her, looking very nice. And Aya in her light blue dress. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Stacy is all in black and orange today. Wow. Very nice. Maybe in the second episode.
I love you, Bini!
I love them too.
I love you.
That was actually really nice. It's so short. Why didn't they make this longer? Part 2. After filming, Super Crunch decided to surprise BINI for a treat. Okay. Due to their jam-packed schedule, this is something they truly miss. Street food. Me too. I miss all the flavors. I miss all the variety, and I'm repeating myself in all of these videos, but I'm actually missing all of the smiles, all of the friendliness of those street vendors. I mean, I checked out everybody in my vicinity where I was staying. I am missing the friendliness, the wholesomeness. Wow. Malloy's dress is, she always has these, I don't know, it looks like, I think there's something like a bell dress, because it looks like a bell. But they're very she always wears dresses like that. And I like those leg pieces. Really cool. And I'm just seeing that Aya also has these light blue boots on. Very cool. Oh wow. There's Sheena. Oh wow, yes. Look at just wow. I mean, these two right here, my goodness. But Sheena is just so special. She is, wow. Wow. And Stacy, oh, it wasn't orange, it was red. Very nice. Stacy looking actually really good in that black and red. We don't see her that often in these colors. Aya, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. Shorty, you don't need no makeup. Marilag, absolutely. And what's Joanna screaming back there? Let's do this again. Oh, is that? Oh, I want that right now. Is that lumpia or is that turong? Turon. Is that, I can't, it could either be the spicy one or it could be the one with banana. I I can't really tell. But I would eat both right now. Oh my god, yes.
Wala, gusto ko maganda. Ma'am, ano gusto mo, ma'am?
There's Sheena. I'm just wanna take a look at the outfits. Sheena looks so beautiful. I am loving the arm pieces in the same color, going all the way up to her fingers. Absolutely wonderful. Oh my, I want to try this. Ma'am, what do you want, ma'am?
Gusto mo, ma'am? Ikyam! Ate, kanina ko yung order ko.
Colette all in green with those, look at those earrings Colette has. Wow. Kikiyums. A ground meat or shrimp with spices wrapped in bean curd or tofu skin, which is steamed and then deep fried. I saw them. I didn't get around to try them, but I saw them. I always went for chicken. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Wait lang, mama. Wala ko yung dalawa lang. Can I take you? Gusto ko Japanese.
Masarap ba yung Japanese?
Walang ate, walang senan.
They're not fake. They're not picky. That is our BINI. That is our BINI. Look at our wonderful Aya just sipping on the balut, or maybe even just biting off of it. Yeah. They're not fake. They're not picky. That is what makes BINI such a lovable group. They were the ones who even cleaned up. We felt ashamed. Yes, and here we have Malloy. Yes. It's just them. I mean, they're not your bling bling girls. They know, they have not forgotten their roots. They are regular people. No matter how famous they are now, they have stayed those regular people, and that is wonderful.
Kung ano, naiyak kami. Sila pa yung naglilinis nga sabi ko, grabe, napaka-down to earth ng BINI.
Absolutely.
Hinitingnan ko kung natumutuka.
I'm just checking if it's already pecking. Ah, yes. Wow.
Hindi talaga ako magbabalik.
No, really, I'm not gonna. Yes, right. We all remember Colette staring at Stacy in that one episode where Stacy ate balut and Colette was like, oh. In a way, I understand her. If you can't see that visually, it's not something you would eat. Wow. Colette is so pretty too. My God.
Wala. Nakakain ako ng sisiw. Pero hindi ko sa, anong tawag yan? Nguya. Hindi ko sa nguya kasi nakakawa ako. Niluno ko siya agad.
Oh, okay. She couldn't chew. Okay, I understand.
You get the best of me when I'm full.
The last one.
Oh God, look at her hair. My goodness. We ain't gonna see that for a while now. We've gone darker, back more normal. But this was epic. I mean, Mika's red hair was epic. This is the last one. I can't eat anymore. But the thing with street food is you can't stop. Because it's always like, it's just a little piece like this. I'll try one of those. I'll try one of those. It's always just a little bite. And you keep on biting. There you go. Next one. Girl. Oh no, I can already see people being like Sharon. Nagsa Sharon. Sharon Cuneta is a Filipina actress known for her dramatic roles. In this context, people are being emotional. Okay.
Wala! Nakita na sino mga nag-Sharon. Which one? Love me. Apat din po yung...
My God, Aya is just so amazingly pretty. My goodness.
Sharon, which one? Dami. Apat din po yung ibibigay ko kasi sa mga
I'm giving these to the guards. I'm also giving these. And now we see the heart and the soul of BINI. They're handing out the food to people who don't have access right now to it. So the guards, probably the staff, everybody's going to get food from BINI. Very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, that's why you gotta love these girls. That's... we can't go a day without Aya's laugh.
Ang sarap po, sobrang solid, perfect for a merienda. Daming nag-sharon. Thank you ate sa balut.
Salamat din.
Balut.
Oh wow.
Guys.
Suspect 1, Suspect 2, Bullet Snatcher, Banana Q Snatcher, Turon. Yes, of course. Aya's gotta have some Turon.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Wonderful. Oh God. Brought to you by Pop and Subs. So Pop and Subs, put the English subtitles under that. Thank you so much. I'm going to put the channel down the description so everybody can go over there. Give them your love. Show them some love and give them some views so that this was not for nothing. Thank you so much. This is cool. But I'm just a little bit sad that it wasn't longer. I would have loved if the girls had the chance to sit down and we could see some of the conversations that were going on and everything. This was beautiful. As I said, I miss the street food. I miss the smiles. I miss the warmth, not only of the weather, but of the people. I only experienced warm, friendly people. I didn't experience a scam. I didn't experience anything bad in the Philippines. Yes, this is wonderful. This was cool. This was really nice, reminding me of all the food and letting me take a look at these 8 sunshines once again. Wonderful. Folks, maraming salamat po for being here. You guys are great. You guys are awesome. You know, take care, stay safe. Wait a second. Stay hydrated, and as I always say, sarangay, annyeong, until the next time.